was set in Harrogate, beautiful part of the world. A little bit rainy, but fantastic area for people to come and visit. We're a garden centre and we look after adults with learning difficulties or physical disabilities, and they do enormous amount of tasks. So here, just like anywhere else, we like to save our water. One, it's cheaper. Two, environmentally friendly. But more importantly, it's cheaper. So here we go, 2 water butts off the greenhouse. Like it is now, it's raining, which is brilliant because it's filling these up. Because you never know, next week might be another drought. Thinking of planting, think about plants that are tolerant to a bit of drought and like it well drained, just like these verbena and the beautiful lavender. You know, you can use it for all sorts. And then over here you've got rosemary all year round. Use them for your roast puds, the seasonal time. What about sedum? Sedums are fantastic. Collect all the water in there. Brilliant. And then you've got Caryopteris, but look at them. Look at the flowers on them. They like it dry. And obviously grasses. They're fabulous this time of year. They don't mind a bit of drought. So think about what you're planting and thinking where. So grass, it's really tolerant, you know, when it's not raining. No need to use hosepipe on it. Unless you're a bowling green, you don't need to. This grass is fine. Just don't cut it too short. And if it goes brown, it's fine. It's still alive and well underneath. So another good way to retain water, especially in pot plants, is gravel or any sort of mulch. Wood chip, anything really. We're using gravel here. Just make sure you wash it. But this will stop it drying out in the hot summer months. Any type of gravel, just make sure you wash it. So when you're doing hanging baskets, think about what plants you're putting in. These, pelargoniums, geraniums, fantastic. They don't want a lot of water, so pop them in. They'll last all summer. How about these crystals? They're like gel. They'll take loads of water, but don't put too many in because they expand with the water. Great for if you miss a couple of times with your watering. And just fill that up with that and some feed. They'll last all summer.